Hey explorers, welcome to English Explorers with Ridhima, your go to place for mastering English with ease and confidence. Have you ever been stuck in a situation where someone patiently waits for you and you want to show your appreciation? Today's phrase is thank you for your patience. It's perfect for that. But why stop there? In this video, I'll share a variety of creative alternatives you can use to express gratitude in similar situations. Whether you're speaking formally or casually, these phrases will add depth to your vocabulary and charm to your conversations. So, let's dive in and explore. First one I have for you, I appreciate your understanding. Thank you for bearing with me. I am grateful for your tolerance. Thanks for waiting. I appreciate your endurance. Thank you for sticking with me. I value your patience. Thanks for your cooperation. I am thankful for your support. I'm grateful for your forbearance. I appreciate your time and understanding. Thank you for being so considerate. I'm thankful for your composure. Thank you for not rushing me. I'm grateful for your leniency. Thanks for staying with me through this. I appreciate your calmness in this situation. Thank you for your understanding and patience. I am thankful for your willingness to wait. I appreciate you being so accommodating. That's it for today, explorers. Now you have an various alternatives to the classic phrase, thank you for your patience. Use them to sound more fluent, professional, or simply more relatable in your conversations. If you enjoyed learning with me, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to English Explorers with Ridhima. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure in English learning. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and let your words make an impact. See you soon.